Okay. Hello, my loves. Welcome back. we got another wig. We got another wig. This is another Zury. I have 3 Zury Sis wigs. This is the Zury Sis Sassy wig. This one is in Max. I've been trying to look like I've seen a few reviews on Max and I don't know, I can't tell. Max looks really cute, and then I saw someone wearing the Sombre root in Sunset. So Sombre RT Sunset. So yeah, this is an orange wig. Maybe I'll wear her tomorrow.
Do it.
So this one is in the Sunset unit, the Sunset color. I don't have orange wigs, but always wanted one. I love the Zury Sis wigs. So far, their texture has been amazing. And the girl that I saw wearing the Sunset one, I just thought it was cute. And I said, fuck it. Her texture. She's another short wig with a very extreme deep part. I don't even know if we're focused. All the Zury wigs that I've tried today, because I only bought 3, do not have any any lace to cut. This is what the model looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the part is an extremely deep part. This is gorgeous. See, the thing with this, it has tints of green, blonde, very blonde, orange, and red, and burgundy. It's such a vibrancy of colors. I'm going to show you guys the wig cap construction. This one has only 1 comb in the front, which makes sense because the comb will probably be around here because it's close to the parting space. It has the lace here and it has a comb in the back, thank God, because I think it should be illegal that short wigs don't have a comb. It's crazy. It has the adjustable straps and it has the tracks. I like the gradient of the color. It's not an extreme black. It's more like a brown, a really deep brown, maybe a 2. So I'm going to go ahead and try her on. This is going to be probably a very short review. If I can get her look right, that'd be great. Okay. Ooh, okay. So the cap fits snug with the way that it came already adjusted. Wow, this color, I dig it. Wow. Well, wow. She's an extreme part. If I knew how to cut a wig evenly, I would probably trim it. Well, wow. She is different. She's different than I'm used to. Definitely mom styled. A lot of people wore her like this so that it looked more like oblong, like uneven, which is fine because I think that's a really cute style. It seems like it's pretty even throughout the back until it gets to the front anyway. But I'm going to shift her so it looks the most even I can get her. She definitely has a silky type, but yucky texture. With this wig right here, I know that I would have to finesse some baby hairs because I want her to look more natural and also take out some of my real hair out. So I'm going to move her back a little bit. The wig cap feels really good. It really does. I really wish the bangs were not that long. Like, I wish the bangs were like... I could probably cut this wig, but I'm not brave yet. I think that Sunset suits this color name perfectly because it does look like a perfect sunset. So pretty. So pretty. The texture on this unit feels so smooth. So clean. Let me just tuck some of the hairs in the back of my ear here. Just gonna take a brush and brush her. I don't normally brush my wigs, I just leave them be, but she's silky enough that I can brush it without worrying about it getting frizzy. So I feel like, oh, she's definitely staticky right now. So I'm wondering if I was to take some of these hairs like this and tuck it behind the ear. Just a lot of flyaways with this unit. This does not look right like this. This unit is so fun and pretty. I love this color. The only gripe I have is that when I look down, it's gonna be there. but the beauty of it is that the hair goes back. You just move it. I have nails for a reason. I might wear this tomorrow because we have an event to go to where the team colors are orange. So I thought that might look cool. The wig cap feels great. I can show you guys the back of this unit. So the cap feels pretty snug, of course, if you have a lot more hair. Yay or nay on using the adjustable straps to it. This wig is phenomenal. She is smooth. My forehead is looking real big right now. She is so pretty. If you love your short bobs, your kind of A-line cuts, your sleek, of course it is longer on one end more than it is on the other. You can definitely trim it to make it more evenly distributed. I feel like you definitely can trim this front end right here and make it look more even, or you can take it to a hairdresser, or if you are a hairdresser yourself, you could definitely do it yourself. Get the mannequin and just trim her out. I think I would want to trim some sort of bangs on this. Overall, I actually really do like this wig. I love the color. The color is different. I do wish it had some sort of lace to cut so that my hairline would look a little bit more natural, or even so, I wish it came with baby hairs like one of the other wigs that I tried on today does. I think if it had baby hairs, it would definitely help it look a lot more, you know, more natural. But again, this is La Sintética, so it is what it is. I think that was my hair that I was just about to pull off. Oh, that's my hair. Okay, let's not pull my hair. It moves so good. Look at that. Look at that. It moves amazingly. It doesn't tangle. Of course, it's a shorter wig. If this was a longer wig, it would definitely tangle. This wig overall, amazing unit. I could definitely tuck it in behind the ear. I think I like that a lot better. Looks a lot more sleeker. This wig right here is absolutely gorgeous. I think it would look great in a 1B or 2. It does come in the blonde. It comes in Aurora, which I thought was a funky color as well. I was going to get this in a 1B, but I thought this color would be something different to test out and try out. I didn't know if I was going to like the length of it or whatnot. But overall, I love the unit itself. It's so pretty. It's effortless. It feels light. It just feels just fine. The only one thing I will change on this wig is adding baby hairs or just kind of finessing my edges a little bit better. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for my review and try on of the Sister Wig Sassy Max units in the Sombre RT Sunset. I hope you guys like this video. Sound off down below. Let me know what you think of this cute little funky wig here. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.